This 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe Hybrid came in for an ECU Internal Performance code. It would not start, it would not run. The electric batteries were dead and the gas engine would not run. They could not move this car, got towed in. It had an ECU Internal Performance code. A PCM was put in and a 12-volt battery was put in. The electric battery was charged up and it still would not move. We ended up putting fuel in it and the ECU Internal Performance code went away. An L running out of gas would cause this issue. Kind of crazy.